Think you know everything about your iPhone? Think again, because Apple's devices are packed with clever features buried deep in the settings, and many users never even stumble across them. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. From ultra-secret buttons to late-night screen hacks, here are 5 hidden iPhone tricks that'll make your phone feel brand new. First, the lowest brightness, too harsh at night, right? Just go darker. Head to settings, then accessibility, then display and text size, then reduce white point. It softens bright tones beyond the usual limit, and you can even add it to Control Center for instant access. Oh, and you can turn your iPhone into sound detector. Yes, your iPhone can listen to doorbells, alarms, and even a baby crying and alert you instantly. Again, go to settings, then accessibility, then sound recognition. Turn it on and choose the sounds that matter most to you. It's great for noisy rooms, headphones, or hearing impairments. Now, your phone's back glass is more powerful than it looks. Enable back tap via settings, accessibility, then touch, then back tap. And assign actions to double or triple taps. Want to take a screenshot or launch Siri? Just tap the back of your phone like a secret button. Forget switching apps, just add timer to Control Center and settings, then long press it to set a countdown instantly without leaving what you're doing. Last, there are text shortcuts too if you're tired of retyping your email or address. Create a shortcut in settings, then general, then keyboard, then text replacement. Type @ and have it expand into your full email. These were the settings only some know about. Turn them on and join the party. Do you know any of these already? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update. Who said phone cases have to be boring? Beats just flipped the script with a new collection of iPhone 17 cases that don't just protect your phone, they do things. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your tech hub. Beats, best known for its bold audio gear, just dropped a surprisingly clever lineup of iPhone 17 cases. And one of them has a trick up its sleeve, or rather, its lanyard. The Beats kickstand case features a removable lanyard that not only helps keep your phone closed, but transforms into kickstand for hands-free users for just $59. It magnetically snaps to the case, making it perfect for watching videos, FaceTiming, or making your phone stand while working. With phone lanyards and crossbody straps becoming must-haves for travel and everyday convenience, Beats is leaning into the trend while adding true functionality. You can get these cases in granite gray, bedrock blue, limestone, and pebble pink, and this case supports MagSafe and includes camera control features too. And if you're not into lanyards, the Beats thin case is a more minimal option for $45. It's ultra slim, lightweight, and designed to fit the iPhone 17 and iPhone Air like a glove. With a matte fingerprint-resistant exterior and a soft microfiber lining inside, it's a no-fuss, stylish layer of protection. And if you're clumsy, Beats got you covered with a rugged case engineered for real-world wear and tear in $79. Built with a durable polymer back and shock-absorbing sides, it's passed numerous drop, scratch, and thermal tests. A textured matte grip makes it easier to hold, while a fully enclosed bottom adds extra protection. This model comes in Everest Black, Rocky Blue, Alpine Gray, and Sierra Orange. As Apple fans gear up for the launch of the iPhone 17 series and iOS 26 on September 15th, these new Beats cases bring a bit of attitude and a lot of functionality to the mix. So that was all. Drop your thoughts in the comments. When was the last time you actually needed your wallet? Between Apple Pay, digital receipts, and photos all living on my iPhone, my wallet's basically just an ID holder. But here's the kicker. Apple's digital ID feature might let you ditch that wallet for good. Stick around to find out how it works, where you can use it, and if your state's on board. Let's get into it. Since iOS 15.4, Apple's let you add your driver's license or state ID to your iPhone's wallet app. Sounds like freedom, right? Well, not so fast. States have been super slow to roll this out. Back in 2022, only 2 states supported it, with a handful promising it was coming soon. Fast forward to June 2025, and we're still only at 9 states and Puerto Rico. Progress? Kinda. Here's the current lineup for digital ID as of June 2025. Arizona, California, Colorado, Georgia, Hawaii, Iowa, Maryland, New Mexico, Ohio, and Puerto Rico. If you're in states like Connecticut, Kentucky, or Utah, which promised support years ago, Sorry, you're still waiting. But if you're one of these lucky spots, you're about to unlock some serious convenience. Now, don't expect to hand your iPhone to a cop during a traffic stop. This feature's got specific vibes. Right now, it's mainly for zipping through select airports and verifying your age at participating businesses like bars, liquor stores, or concerts. Apple teamed up with the TSA, and you can use digital ID at 14 airports, including big ones like LAX, Denver, and Atlanta. Just unlock your iPhone, tap it on the ID scanner, and your info like name, birth date, and ID photo pops up for approval. Smooth, right? Setting it up is a breeze if you're in a supported state. Open the wallet app, hit the plus sign, select driver's license and ID cards, and pick your state. Scan your ID, snap a quick face scan to verify it's you, and send it to your state for approval. You can even add it to your Apple Watch. Oh, and at businesses, just tap your iPhone against their device, double-click the side button to confirm, and you're good. No more fumbling your ID. So, is it time to ditch your wallet? If your state supports digital ID and you're flying out of a participating airport like SFO or Phoenix, you're this close to going wallet-free. But if your state's still dragging its feet, you're stuck with that leather brick for now. Either way, this is the future of ID, and it's pretty darn cool. GadInsider fam, are you ready to say goodbye to your wallet? Drop a comment. Ready iPhone users, because iOS 26 is not done evolving and the next update could completely change how you use your phone. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. Even though iOS 26 landed back in September and iOS 26.1 added some handy tweaks, Apple is far from finished. The upcoming iOS 26.2 promises a handful of game-changing features that could make your iPhone feel brand new. At the top of the list, Siri finally getting the AI upgrade we've been waiting for. According to Apple insider Mark Gurman, this long-awaited thing could arrive around March or April 2026, of course, powered by a custom version of Google Gemini. That's huge news for anyone frustrated with Siri lagging behind other voice assistants. But iOS 26.2 isn't just about smarter AI. The controversial liquid glass interface is also changing with a slider to adjust lock screen transparency and more consistent effects across apps like Measure. For those who rely on AirDrop, sharing with non-contacts is about to get easier with a new code system allowing transfers for 30 days. Podcasts are getting a glow up too. Automatic episode chapters, clickable references to other shows, and quick access links will make discovering and navigating content smoother than ever. And for anyone prone to forgetting important tasks, iOS 26.2 introduces alarms for reminders. Now you can mark a task as urgent and your phone will make sure you don't miss it. These all updates will show up before iOS 27 drops next September. iOS 26 is shaping up to be one of the most feature-packed versions yet. Whether it's smarter AI, a polished interface, or life-saving reminders, your iPhone is about to feel a lot smarter and more helpful. Ready iPhone?